Hello, it's David at Fine Line Classic Cars Northampton. Just like to show around our beautiful 1969 VW Transporter T2 camper van. It's had the Westfalia conversion, highly recognised and highly sought after in the VW world. This camper is quite unique. It spent many years of its life in the sunny state of California. So it's absolutely rust free. It has all the original panels. Unlike many, they've succumbed to the rust of the English winters and salt on the roads. They've been resprayed numerous times during their life, often concealing a multitude of sins. As I say, this is quite unique. All the panels are completely original. It's quite incredible really, considering the van was built in 1969. Look down the sides of it, the majority of these are very wobbly, but they've had tons of filler loaded into them. Yeah, quite incredible. So it's got the pop top, as you can see. It's got the opening louver windows. It's got the Krager style wheels. They're well recognised in the VW world, VW classic vehicles, hot rods, etc. Really sets it off. The interior is kept incredibly well. All the original seat coverings on the passenger and driver's seat. As you can see, it's left-hand drive, ideal for your European cruising. Now the layout in the back, you've got the rock and roll bed in the back, which is currently shown as a seat that folds down flat into a bed, and then you've got a fold out bunk bed in the top. But yeah, as per the outside, it's in beautiful condition. None of it's been bleached by the sun. A lot of cars that come over from California, they're cracked and gone dry. Even the door cards are lovely. So that would be your ideal layout for your daytime. You've got your sink there and table and your seat in the back, and that's your layout for your evening, night time. I like the little blue check curtains, really sets it off. Matches the trim inside. There again, the trim inside is beautiful, and all the wood veneer, it's all nice. You've got a little fold up table there. It's very difficult to emphasise the condition of the vehicle. If you haven't looked at vehicles of this sort of age, then maybe you wouldn't appreciate the quality of it and how good it is. So many of them have been bodged up over the years, and unfortunately they won't last. Whereas this one, I feel sure, if it was looked after correctly, it could last another 50 years or more. All details on our website, which is Fine Line Classic Cars Northampton. Although it's MOT exempt, we will supply the vehicle with a full 12 months MOT for peace of mind. If you'd like any further detail, please contact myself, David, on 01604 261390 or 07787 573 255, or visit our website, which is Fine Line Classic Cars Northampton. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video of this stunning vehicle.